morning, my friend Jessica. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Fatana and you?
My name is Shoshana. How old are you?
I am 11 years old and you?
I am 9 years old. What topic would you like to talk about today?
Today I want to talk about education in the Cambodia. Are you okay?
No problem. Go ahead, please.
Would you mind telling me what education is?
It is the process of teaching, training, and learning in order to improve knowledge and develop skills.
How many educational systems are there in the Cambodia? What are they?
There are 3 systems in the Cambodia. One public institution, private institution, and organization.
Which system is playing important role in education their children? Which system is playing role in for the poor?
For developing country like Cambodia, I think it is a public institution.
What do you find about students? How many educational states are there in Cambodia?
There are 7 what kindergarten, 2 primary school, 3 secondary school, 4 high school, 5 college, 6 master degree, and 7 doctorate degree.
What do you find about student activity at the public institution nowadays?
For my survey, student activities are not good, and some schools have no good discipline, and they do not respect the regulation of their school. Moreover, some students flash with girls, play games, chat on internet, make adjustment, fly motorbike, use truck, and even out their school.
Do you think that parents play? Do you think that parents should play an important role in education their children?
Yes, I do. Parents are very important for children learning, but most parents pay a little attention to their children education.
Why don't small parents pay hard attention? Why don't small parents pay hard attention to their children?
There are many reasons. One, they standing out living is slow. 2, they are busy with their business. And 3, social atmosphere is not favorable for them.
How many percent of parents monitor their children's education?
According to the general examination, there are 10%.
What factor affect children's education? And please explain for detail.
There are 3 factors. One, family parents are very impossible to support their children. Poverty, domestic violence. 2, school. The school is far from home. Lack of school, lack of study. Flexibility, lack of teacher, lack of management. Especially, teachers do not pay attention to their teaching. And 3, society is security, stability, and trust in the country. For instance, there's like stealing, robbery, kidnapping, and country has export, etc.
Do you think Cambodia has enough human resources?
No, I don't think so. Cambodia has only quality, but has not quality or enough quality.
Does the government focus on the quality of teaching and learning?
Yes, the government does.
which institution is in charge of education and education field in the Cambodia?
I think that the ministry of the education young and staff respond for it. Thank you for your process time to listen to me.